Today I'm gonna teach you question number 20. Question number 20 is x minus 1 by x whole square plus 3 into x plus 1 by x is equal to 0. How to solve this equation? First of all, we'll check the midterm. This is our midterm. First term, second term. We always check the second term. And by using this term, we will reach the first term. For example, if we have 4 raised to power x plus 3 dot 2 raised to power x plus 9 equal to 0. For example, we will always utilize second term, midterm or second term, whatever we said. By using this term, we will reach the first term. Similarly, all the question of these types, we will always check the second term. And by using second term or midterm, we will reach the first term. So what we will do, first of all, we will open the square a minus b whole square, and formula of a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this time we consider a and this time we consider b. A square is x square minus, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b. B is 1 by x. B square minus 2. A is x and b is 1 by x. Plus 3x plus 1 by x as it is equal to 0. Now x and x cancel each other. X square plus 1 square is 1 and x square minus 2 plus 3 x plus 1 by x equal to 0. Now we will put bracket. Now I told you earlier that we will utilize this term. So first of all, we will suppose this term, let y is equal to x plus 1 by x. By taking square, y square is equal to x plus 1 by x square on both sides. Square y square is equal to, now here we use a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So what is the formula of plus b whole square is equal to, if a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The difference is this sign. So a plus b whole square is equal to a. We consider this term as a square plus b square plus 2a. A is x and b is 1 by x. Now y square is equal to, x square becomes x square plus 1 square becomes 1 and x square is x square plus 2. X and x cancel each other. Now we want to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Simple. So x square plus 1 by x square. So y square minus positive 2, when we take in the left side, positive becomes negative 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. So we name this as equation 1. Putting values in equation 1, we get, so x square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square minus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square minus 2. So we'll write y square minus 2 and minus 2 as it is. This is minus 2 and this is equation minus 2, plus 3 x plus 1 by x. We consider x plus 1 by x as y. So y equal to 0. Now y square minus minus plus 2 and 2 4 sign minus plus 3y equal to 0. Now we solve this equation. Y square plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we make the factor of, first of all take the coefficient y square. Coefficient of y square is 1 and simple constant is minus 4. And we make the factor of 4. 2 2 are 4. So positive 3y. Positive 3y minus 4 plus 4 minus 1 plus minus sign get the value. So the factor are y square plus 4y minus y, factors are here, this is 1, minus 4 equal to 0. Now we'll take common y, this pair and this pair. Y, 1y is left plus 4 is left. Minus is common, we can see minus is common. Why take minus common? Because this is with positive sign, so we'll take minus common. Minus plus y and minus plus 4 equal to 0. Now y plus 4 equal to y plus 4 into y minus 1 equal to 0. Now first of all we'll take y plus 4 equal to 0 and next time we'll take y minus 1 equal to 0. Y is equal to positive 4. When taken the right side, positive become negative 4. Y is equal to negative 1. When taken the right side, negative 1 become positive 1. Now here we can see that we consider y is equal to x plus 1 by x. So we put y is equal to x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 4 and x plus 1 by x is equal to 1. Now we'll take the LCM. Taking LCM, x is LCM, so we multiply whole equation with term x into x plus 1 by x. 2x is equal to minus 4 into x. X and x cancel. X square plus 1 is equal to minus 4x. Now x square plus 4x minus 4x, when taken the left side, minus 4 become positive 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Now there is no factor of 1 to make which make 4, so we will apply quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b is 4 plus minus under root b square, 4 square, b is 4 minus 4, a is 1, c is also 1, divided by 2 into a is 1. So minus 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 4 divided by 2. Minus 4 plus minus under 16 minus 4 12 divided by 2. Minus 4 plus minus under root 12. Under root 12 becomes 2 under root 3. So 2 is common, but 2 is common and 2 is cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So minus 2 plus minus under root 3. Now we'll solve this equation. How to solve? By taking LCM. X into x, x is LCM plus 1 by x into x is equal to 1 into x. Taking LCM. Now add cancel x square plus 1 is equal to x 1s are x square plus x minus x. When we take in the left side, minus x plus 1 as it is equal to 0. Now there is no factor of 1 which makes minus 1, so we'll use quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b is minus 1 plus minus under root b square minus 1 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 1. So divided by 2 into a is 1. Now positive minus minus plus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square becomes 1 minus 4 divided by 2. 1 plus minus under root minus 3 divided by 2. Now x is equal to 1 plus minus under root 3 and under root minus 1 is equal to iota. So instead of minus 1 we will write iota divided by 2. So our solution set becomes x. Solution set becomes minus 2 plus minus under root 3 and 1 plus minus under root 3 iota divided by 2, which is our required solution.